Hi students, welcome. It's EK Academy here once again. So we'll be solving this question, and this question actually is on ratios, proportions, profit, loss, topic, the form on topic. So we'll be solving and to see how we are going to come out with solution. So Lema, Schumer, and Mushi contributed 770, 560, and 1,050,000 shillings respectively to start business. So find the ratio of their contribution in its simplest form. So we have Lema, Schumer, Mushi expressed as 770 ratio 560,000,560 ratio 1050,000. So first of all, we are going to remove all zeros. Removing all zeros, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So we'll be having now 77 ratio 50/60 ratio 105. So sorry, it is 1000. Yeah, of course, 105, sorry. So it is 105. So now simplifying, we can take again 7, it is common. When you take 7 here, you have 11, ratio 8, ratio 7 by 7, we'll be having 15. And we are going to drop now 7, the simplest ratio. So should we call capital ratio is 11 ratio 8 ratio 15, dear students. So this is the simplest ratio, as we cannot break it down anymore, dear students. Thank you.